My name is Steven. I've been working at Greg's since July 2004 when we actually first opened up this Puyallup location. Here at Greg's we get a lot of return customers who like the work, a lot of on-hands customers who really appreciate you take the time with them. We have a lot of relationships with the customers here, and a lot of people have been working on their cars since we opened up about 12 years ago. You get dedicated stalls. Everybody here at this shop has 3 dedicated hoists. You got your own work area, you're not moving around. You got power doors, great scan equipment, get laptops to do research on. There's no huge pressure to get certain numbers. They know everybody works at their own pace.
My name is John Peck. I've been working for the company now for probably just over 9 years, 2 different times. First go around was about 2.5 years. Then I left and came back about 1.5 years later, just because it was good working here. I knew the people, I knew how the company worked. It's a good family business. It's been fun. I've learned a lot working on the different models. Cars, different years. Get your problem childs once in a while, but you know, it is what it is. Work on cars and makes things fun.
My name is John. I've been with Greg's for going on 8 years now, and I work at the South Center location, which is in Tukwila, Washington, on 405 Baker Boulevard. It's quite challenging. It's something where you get a lot of satisfaction being able to figure out what's gone wrong and what system, because the vehicles today are very complex, and the Japanese are leaders in a lot of the new technologies that come out in the vehicles.
It's really good money. Benefits are good. For an independent aftermarket, you're not going to probably find anything any better. I actually my wife and I went to Maui a couple years ago. I got Employee of the Year at Greg's, and it was airfare, round trip, and stay at their condo at right on the beach. Couldn't have been a better sunset you ever imagine in your life. Had a great time.
The best part of working here is when we work as a team. You know, we figure cars out together. When one person's got an issue and they can't figure it out, we can all jump in and give our assistance and knowledge.
Greg's offers a 401k, and you can get up to 3 weeks of paid vacation a year, and then they give you 3 days of sick leave.
Medical benefits are great. You know, you get dental coverage, eye coverage, and your regular doctor visits. So I mean, I can't complain, because some of the other places I worked at, we didn't have dental and we didn't have eye coverage.
If you're a person who likes a challenge, you're self-motivated, you can make a lot of money in this industry, and you can also make a very good name for yourself and the people that you work with.
I think that this is probably the last job that I'll have, and retiring from this place. I can't see myself going anywhere else, and I think other people would have the same input as far as their stay here at Greg's, and anybody that wants to come work here, I think that they would actually appreciate how the company treats them as an individual person and not just a tool.